Om Saira, welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. Some people have asked if the Nam Saptaha and the Saptaha Parayan of Sri Sai Satcharita are the same. They are not. Indeed, there is a difference. In Saptaha Parayan of Sri Sai Satcharita, the sacred text is systematically read and completed within 7 days. Whereas Nam Saptaha Parayan involves the continuous chanting of God's name day and night for 7 days. Sai Baba often chanted Allah Malik and Sabka Malik Ek, emphasizing God's oneness and the importance of surrendering to the divine. He encouraged devotees to chant God's name continuously, especially in the form of Nam Saptaha, a practice involving the uninterrupted chanting of God's name for 7 days. This practice was intended to purify the mind and bring the devotee closer to God. In Sri Sai Satcharita, chapters 4 and 6 describe how this practice began in Baba's presence. During the year 1913 Ramaravami festival, Radha Krishna Mai, a devoted follower of Baba, initiated Nam Saptah Parayan. The devotees, including herself, chanted God's name continuously, day and night, taking turns maintaining the chant for the entire week. Once, Baba asked Dasganu Maharaj to perform Nam Saptaha. Dasganu agreed that Vitthal would appear at the end of the 7 days. Baba placed his hand on his chest and assured him that Vitthal would indeed appear, but emphasized that the devotee must be earnest and devout for this to happen. Baba further explained that the Lankapuri of Dakurnath, the Pandari of Vitthal, and the Dwarka of Ranchod are all present here in Shirdi. One does not need to go far to see Dwarka. Why would Vitthal need to come from some other place? He is already here. Only when the devotee is overflowing with love and devotion will Vitthal manifest himself in Shirdi. As Baba said, after the Saptaha Parayan was completed, Vitthal manifested. Kaka Sahib Dikshit, as usual, meditating after his bath, when he saw Vitthal in a vision. Later at noon, when he went for Baba's darshan, Baba asked him directly, "Did Vitthal Patil come? Did you see him? He is a very elusive fellow. Catch him firmly, or he will escape if you are even slightly inattentive." This vision occurred in the morning, and by noon, Vitthal had again appeared. A hawker arrived selling 25 to 30 pictures of Vithoba. One of these pictures matched the figure Kaka Sahib had seen in his vision. Remembering Baba's words, Kaka Sahib was both surprised and overjoyed. He bought one of the pictures of Vithoba and placed it in his shrine for worship. Baba wanted his devotees to perform Nam Saptah Parayan not mechanically but with true dedication and devotion. While chanting God's name, they should focus on God, remembering His teachings and guidance. When Nam Saptah Parayan is done with such devotion, God and His blessings manifest. Let us worship Baba with faith and devotion, follow His teachings, and always receive His blessings. I had the blessing of attending 2 Sai Nama Saptaha Parayan sessions at the homes of the devotees in Hyderabad for a short time. The atmosphere was filled with serenity and Baba's presence was strongly felt. I too have a deep desire to conduct the Sai Nam Saptaha Parayan myself and patiently waiting for Baba's permission. Once Baba blesses me with this opportunity, I will surely share this experience with you all through this channel. Let us meet in the next episode to explore another of Baba's blessings. Om Sai Ram.